What's good, y'all? It's your boy Johnny God. I'm back with another reaction. Before we start, I gotta show y'all something. I don't know if y'all see it, but shout out to y'all on TikTok. Y'all got me at 10K. Can y'all see it? Yeah, 10.6, 10.6. And then this is a little quick promo. Make sure y'all follow me, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me. No. Just want to say thank y'all. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm back for good. Full time. Well, not full time, but I'm back. Better than ever. I'm ready to do this. And we go watch the two songs that TRIPPIE REDD performed on Backstream. These was all over my TikTok. I haven't seen like the full songs, so let's watch them together.
Bitch, don't lift my leg. Bad bitch, give me head. Fuck it and go in the bed. Yeah. She wanna ride like a bike. Told her to get on the pants. Told her to get on the pants. And I'm leaving them all dead. Niggas swear they my dogs, yeah. But they want me to fall, yeah. Kill them, don't get involved, yeah. And we ducking the laws, yeah. Big foreign, I swerve in the rain. Where you going, man? Stay in lane. I ain't going for none of that cap. I ain't going for none of that shit. Talking that shit, I none of your bitch. She come home and give you a kiss. She want Chanel shit. I ain't giving this shit for dick. Might put a little hole on the lip. 2 cups I fill with trance. One time like R.I.P. Chris. Living my life 5-star. Everything lit 5-star. Whip outside 5-star. Nigga my bitch 5-star. Real piece shit 5-star. This on the gang, fight at the head. Hugging this bitch, you in the bed. Bitch, don't lift my leg. Bad bitch, give me head. Fuck it and go in the bed. Yeah. She wanna ride like a bike. Told her to get on the pants. And I'm leaving them all dead. Niggas swear they my dogs, yeah. But they want me to fall, yeah. Kill them, don't get involved, yeah. And we ducking the laws, yeah. Big foreign, I swerve in the rain. Where you going, man? Stay in lane.
Let's run that back. I love that ad-lib. That ad-lib he did. Where is it at?
She wanna ride like a bike. Told her to get on the pants. And I'm leaving them all dead. Niggas swear they my dogs, yeah. But they want me to fall, yeah.
Fall!
And we ducking the laws, yeah.
We already gave it a rain.
Where you going, man? Stay in lane. I ain't going for none of that cap. I ain't going for none of that shit.
I love that ad-lib.
Bitch, she come home and give you a kiss. She want Chanel shit. I ain't giving this shit for dick.
See, I love TRIPPIE. He very talented, but he like to do a lot of bullshit in this song. When TRIPPIE really locks in, bro, he can make good ass music.
Put a little hole on the lip. 2 cups I fill with trance. One time like R.I.P. Chris. Living my life 5-star. Everything lit 5-star. Whip outside 5-star. Nigga my bitch 5-star. Real piece shit 5-star. This on the gang, fight at the head. Hugging this bitch, you in the bed. Bitch, don't lift my leg. Bad bitch, give me head. Fuck it and go in the bed. Yeah. She wanna ride like a bike. Told her to get on the pants. And I'm leaving them all dead. Niggas swear they my dogs, yeah. But they want me to fall, yeah. Kill them, don't get involved, yeah. And we ducking the laws, yeah. Big foreign, I swerve in the rain. Where you going, man? Stay in lane.
If that was all in one take, that shit is fucking good.
I got 1 in the chamber, 2 with the laser, 3 different flavors, 4 hoes naked, 5 bitches jumping in a 2-door spaceship. wish a punk bitch would. I'll face him, talking all that doodle bob. I'll erase him. Where my keys, bitch? Where my lean, bitch? Where your bitch at? Where a spleen, bitch? Living green, bitch. Cow cheese, bitch. Lemon squeeze, bitch. Bow, bow, bow. One in the chamber, two with the laser. Three different flavors, four hoes naked. Five bitches jumping in a two-door spaceship. Pour yellow tux in this and walk on with the Lakers.
If you sit back and think about it, being a producer and a streamer, that's a good ass fucking skill. And they recorded a fucking banger.
One in the chamber, two with the laser. Three different flavors, four hoes naked. Five bitches jumping in a two-door spaceship. Pour yellow tux in this and walk on
With the Lakers.
Shawty look good, I taste her. Rolling up a real big wood, I'll face her. Man, I wish a punk bitch would. I'll face him, talking all that doodle bob. I'll erase him. Where my keys, bitch? Where my lean, bitch? Where your bitch at? Where a spleen, bitch? Living green, bitch. Cow cheese, bitch. Lemon squeeze, bitch. Bow, bow, bow. One in the chamber, two with the laser. Three different flavors, four hoes naked. Five bitches jumping in a two-door spaceship. Pour yellow tux in this and walk on with the Lakers.
Ooh, y'all almost just seen the next video. Ooh. I should try that. I should pay for a studio session and see what I could do in like 10 hours. I mean, shit, clearly nowadays anybody can make music. not like in Trippie Red sense, but just like anybody in general. I feel like I could make a banger. You give me like 10 hours off the top. But basically, music, that is like a intense, like, thought out skill. Nobody can ever be this man behind me though. Yeah, that man behind me, no one can ever be that man. But it's good artists in the world. Do I really need an outro? I don't need an outro.